Sometimes, a few words spoken at the right moment have the power to leave us completely speechless. A meaningful speech can inspire us, motivate us, and change the way we look at life.
Once, former Prime Minister Chandrasekhar said, "Do not compare yourself with others who are doing better than you. Instead, try to beat your own record every day because success is a fight between you and yourself." These words remind us that true growth begins within us.
In the same spirit, we must be ready for fight for our country, live for our country, and if required, sacrifice everything for our country.
Now to express these patriotic thoughts through powerful words, I would like to call upon Avyansh Raj of 8D to deliver a patriotic speech on Republic Day. Speech by Avyansh Raj.
Good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, honorable guests, teachers, and my dear friend. Today, I stand before you to speak on the proud occasion on Republic Day. The Constitution is the soul of our democracy. Protect it with your action. Republic Day is celebrated in India on 26 January every year. On this historic day in 1950, our Constitution came into force and India became Republic. India is known as for its unity in diversity. People of different languages, religion, and culture live together peacefully. This unity is the true strength of our nation. Respecting differences helps in maintaining harmony and mutual understanding. On Republic Day, we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Their courage and dedication helped India to gain independence and dignity. This day also honors the leaders who shaped our constitution. Their vision led to the foundation for the fair democratic nation. In school, Republic Day is celebrated by flag hosting and culture. Education play a key role in nation building. An educated citizen can think wisely and act responsibly. True patriotism is shown through action, not speeches alone. Being honest, disciplined, and respectful is a real service to the country. Thank you. Happy Republic Day to all.
That was indeed a wonderful and heart-touching speech. It reminded us of the brave freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives